When I saw that lotion was such a hype, I was like, it kind of looks familiar, you know? Like, I went to see the price. It was $23 for this little bottle, 1 ounce, 29 milliliters. I was like, this is super, super crazy. So I found something that can be a dupe, might be less effective, but it is more for sensitive skin, and it is only $5 Canadian. Can you believe it? Like, this is so inexpensive, and you probably already have it in your house. So I was like, okay, searching for something quick and easy that I can grab anywhere or I can buy from the drugstore. It is the calamine lotion. I am telling you, this thing was $5 Canadian for 250 milliliters. I have been using it for a couple of days and I have a lot of things to say about this, okay? We're gonna compare the ingredients. I tested it on my skin. I'm gonna tell you everything that my skin felt and how my acne has been doing also. Girl. And I am telling you right now, I didn't buy the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion because I was like, this is way too expensive. And I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be real with you girls, guys, ladies and gents. Because if you are putting this on your skin and you think it's gonna get rid of your acne, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna get rid of your problem. This is just gonna eliminate a little bit, like your skin's gonna look better for a while, but it is not getting to the root of the problem. One thing that I noticed when you went on the Sephora website with Mario Badescu Drying Lotion is that the ingredients are not there on the Sephora website. You have to go search in another tab to find the full list of ingredients, which is kind of sketchy to me, okay? This is really sketchy. And when I went to look at it, the first ingredient is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is literally mixed with water to create rubbing alcohol. You want to put rubbing alcohol on your face? I don't think so. And it's going to be super irritating to your skin. That's why your pimples dry out so fast. This is not the way to go. After there's water, there's calamine, zinc oxide, and titanium dioxide. You got sulfur, camphor, talc, glycerin, and salicylic acid. So there is quite a few differences between the drying lotion versus the one that you get at the drugstore, one that is the price and the other one that is the ingredients. So titanium dioxide is a really good ingredient in the Mario Badescu lotion. Though, when I looked at this ingredient, which is camphor, basically it produces a cooling effect on your skin. There's no really anything that will do to your acne. It's just you're gonna feel that it's cooling and oh my god, it feels so damn good, but when you look at it, it's not going to do anything else. So this is basically useless. This can cause sensitivity to the mucus of membrane. So don't put it in your nose, don't put it in your mouth. The talc is an average product. Again, it can be very sensitive for sensitive skin, for redness, everything. So I don't really recommend putting talc on your acne. Like there's a bunch of stuff, you know, that can be happening. Zinc oxide is paired with calamine usually, and it is skin soothing. There is no risk for skin sensitization. There is glycerin, which is really hydrating for the skin. Then you have salicylic acid, which is the last ingredient. It is a beta hydroxy acid, which will really clean out the pores of your skin. Skin soothing for anti-acne, and it is an exfoliant. So that is good, but I mean, you can buy a bottle of salicylic acid when it's back in stock, because I'm excited for this, from The Ordinary, and it is literally $5 Canadian. So this $5 plus the other one, $5, it is $10. And you mix both and it's gonna create a whole goodness for your skin. And plus, like, a lot of reviews on Sephora say that it made their skin worse and it was really irritating. And the problem with this product is that people tend to overuse it. So when you use it every night, it's really gonna make your skin so sensitive to everything that is happening. Like, you know, you have to let it live how it's living. Sometimes less is more. That is why I decided to just take this calamine lotion. And this is for temporary relief of skin irritations, which this is a skin irritation. This is a problem. Now you're gonna be like, you have acne everywhere. Most of it is acne scars and it's red and it's gonna stay there for a long time. But this is for poison ivy, insect bite, itching, and sunburn. So if it is good for all these things, like your skin is burnt, literally, it's gonna be good for acne as well. And then I went for the ingredients as well on this one, because I was like, if I'm talking about the ingredients, I have to go in it. So calamine, it is the name of the combination of zinc oxide and 0.5 ferric oxide. Non-medicinal ingredients, you've got purified water. So already you have water, no rubbing alcohol, glycerin like the other one. And then you have bentonite magma. So what is bentonite magma? It says that it is a good ingredient and it is an absorbent. It is a type of clay that can be drying for skin, though its absorbent properties are helpful for those with oily skin. It is in skincare masks, it is in medicinal purposes in this, which is a medical lotion. So if it's a medical lotion, I mean, you can put it all over your face, right? Then you've got the calcium hydroxide in calamine lotion, which is the last ingredient of the list. I would say this ingredient is kind of like a fair product, and this is on another website. It can be irritating a little bit to the skin, but this is really to mix to make the formula hold together. Overall, this is really good for acne, oily skin, and it's gonna be really, really gentle on your skin. So how you use it, I'm gonna tell you how I use it personally. So I clean my face, I put my treatments, everything, and then I shake the bottle. Shake it, shake it. I would take some cotton swabs, or you can use your finger. I don't recommend you using your finger because if it's not cleaned properly, you're gonna put bacteria in the solution. So some cotton swabs, you take 1, 2, 3, however you need. Since you want this to stay clean for your acne, you don't want to add additional bacteria. And then you take your cotton swab, you go in it, and very easy, very simple, you coat it. It comes out as pink, and then you would just put it on your acne. So I have some active acne here. The good thing about this, if you don't want to use it too much and you feel like your skin is very irritated, sunburn or anything like this, you can literally put it all over your face and use it as a mask also. So this is good because you have 250 milliliters of that lotion, and as you can see, it's light pink, and you have to let it dry. ASMR. And I even put it on my acne scars because I'm like, this is still irritated. This is still there. So, you know, I want to make sure that everything is taken care of. That's how much I put it on my face. The first time I put it, I kind of went a little overboard. I literally put it all over my face. Other thing is, there is a lot of DIYs out there. Do not. Okay, do not. I saw some videos, it's telling you to put rubbing alcohol with calamine, and then they take witch hazel, and then they take essential oils. This is gonna make your skin worse. I want to be 100% honest with you. You need to find a problem of your acne. This is not going to go away. This is really just going to help dry down the acne that you have, which has some drying properties, because when you are oily, especially if you have eczema, if you have other skin concern, moisture will make your skin itch. So this is going to take the moisture out of your skin, but not in a bad way. You know, it's not going to dry your skin like it doesn't have any life anymore in it. It's going to help you day by day, and it's going to diminish your pimples in such a nice way. Like, it's not going to irritate your skin, and you might be irritated by this, but if you're irritated by this, I am telling you, do not buy the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion, because it's going to be the end of your skin. Don't, please don't. Please don't. Less is more. This is very simple, has a clear purpose. And I'm telling you, my pimples, sometimes they hurt so badly. I put this on my pimple and it just dims itself down. It's just crazy. It's not gonna like disappear in one night. But if you want to mix and match, I am telling you, just buy something that is salicylic acid, a lotion that is not expensive, and that will really help clean out the pores. And this will help dry it out and will calms the inflammation down on your pimples. And I want to point out, I am not a skincare professional. I just do some research, and I just want to share my knowledge and what I find throughout my experiments, my experiments. That is my dupe. That is for $5 Canadian for the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion, because I needed something quick to help how my skin looks. Tell me down below if you ever tried this in your skincare, or if ever you try it. Tell me down below what you think about this little dupe, this little thing that you've had for years and for years and for years, and that your mom would just come out. This is a different experience, because your mom, you think about this as your mom coming to help you, like, bring down the itchiness of your skin, because you remember her taking this and putting it on your skin. So different experience for sure, and it isn't expensive. If you like the video, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what you think about it, and consider subscribing to be part of the beauty family. I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, so consider hitting the bell if you want to be notified every single time that I post a video. So I really, really love you, beauties. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.